So we're gonna be trying something new from Walmart, and I don't know if I'll be able to pan over to her correctly, so you'll see everything. So yeah, my room is trash. Anyway, as you can see, hopefully, somewhere on the camera, Wiggles is going to help us today by advertising the product. I have my heater on, so she's like, "Oh yes, the heater. I love the heater, mother." Not even on high. And she's like, "Yes, I will settle down by the box of things I cannot have in front of the heater." Obviously, it's the box is away from the heater, but like, she's on my bed, so there you go. So I got these at Walmart. Can I have these? She's like, hey. We want you can't have them, baby. You're not you. Okay. Yes. So I tried some of the other Atkins coffee stuff. Anyway, this is Atkins Coffee House Collection, a matcha latte bar. Hopefully it's not trash. As much caffeine as a cup of coffee. Woohoo! I don't know how much this was, but I think it had to be shipped. I think it did. And it was more expensive than the other stuff I got. But then again, I'm a cheap bitch, so I usually went for the cheap shit first. But how many do you get? 5 bars? It just feels weird. Like, I feel like there should be 6 in here or something. It feels weird and uneven. Feels like a chocolate bar. Weebles, will you bless it, Weebles? Will you bless it to be tasty for mommy? Oh, you said your woo-woos. You said your best woo-woos. Here's my woo-woos. You're obsessed with your cat? Yeah, probably. Yeah. So, like, it feels hard. Like, it feels like I'm holding a chocolate bar. There we go. This is giving, like, straight up. I don't know why I smell peanut butter for a minute. Like, yeah, it's literally giving, like, a chocolate bar. Or, like, it feels like, I don't know. Like, it reminds me of, like, those chocolate dip granola bars, almost. You know what I mean? It's kind of fudgy. I panned over to my couch. She's like, just sniff in the air. Is there any peanut butter in this? Why the fuck am I tasting peanut butter? You can't have oils. Yeah, I'm not saying any, ma'am. But for some reason, it's like giving me peanut butter vibes. Child of mine. Weevils. I know. Mommy loves you, but you can't have Weevils. I'm pretty sure you can't have coffee. God knows you don't need it. Yeah, it's kind of good. It's kind of giving like fudgy. I don't know why I'm tasting peanut butter. There's no peanut butter. It's good though. You do taste coffee, but it's not like it's there, but not there. What I mean by that is like you definitely taste it, but like it's not punching you in the face. Oh, it's very interesting. A bit of an odd aftertaste, but nothing unpleasant. So yeah, I don't know if I get these again, but I think they're sold 5.5 out of 10. Yeah, still don't know why I'm tasting peanut butter. There's no peanut butter. She blessed them good. I don't know. Mem.
Ruben, are you the star of the show? I am the cutest weebles in the whole wide world, Mama. Mommy's not sharing with you, but I love you.
I just wiped your eyes this morning. You know, I got gunk on him. I had a good kitty nap. Is that what's going on? Anyway, yeah, got these at Walmart. Like on Scratchers.